Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to talk about specifically one thing, how to have consistency, how to avoid being procrastination or being lazy in your own print on demand journey, or in fact your online entrepreneur journey. So I'm going to share my tips and tricks that I do to be consistent on even making these YouTube videos and also on my own online entrepreneur journey, avoiding laziness, avoiding procrastination and all that guys. So I'm going to talk about all that good stuff in this video. So consider clicking on the like button. I would really appreciate that. Now let's get started with the main part of the video. Okay guys, by nature I am hyperactive person. Yes, I am quite active and I'm quite working on my stuffs and all that. When I was in the college, I was working on my studies and I was like so much sincere student. And nowadays when I'm an online entrepreneur, I consistent pretty with that because I'm like I have all my plans and my goals in my mind, so I need to consistently work on that. So I'm going to share some of the tips. The first tip that I have for you guys, that is the first tip, is to have a planner. Yes guys, it's really important to have a planner, to have a diary, to have anything, even your piece of paper on which you can write what your day will actually going to look like, what are the things that you need to accomplish in that particular day, in that particular week and a month or maybe a year, whatever your strategy behind planning. Right? Because when we have the things onto a piece of paper that we really need to do in that particular day, that piece of paper will going to hold you accountable, and that piece of paper you can keep it on your desk or even on your vision board, and that will really going to hold you accountable to focus on your task, to focus on the things that you really want to do in that day. And that is the number one way in which I hold myself accountable, because I write a lot guys. You can see guys, this is the type of the schedule. I write a lot onto the paper, and that was a little clip of me showing you what I write onto the piece of paper. I write in diary, logbook, diary, whatever I have, whatever I got, I just keep on writing what I really not need to do for that particular day, and it really holds me accountable for accomplishing that particular task on that day. So that was a really game changer for me. Let me know if that is also really helpful to you or not. Moving on to the second tip guys. Second tip of this, up your priority. What is your topmost 5 priorities thing? What is the top 10? Make a list of the things that is his ultimate priority. If being an online entrepreneur and working on your business is an ultimate priority, keep it on the number 1 and give that thing the ultimate most importance. Often we have so many distractions in our life and we get distracted by different things in our life, and we need to hold ourselves accountable what we really want in our life, and setting up a priority ourselves accountable of what we really want to do in our life. If you are a print on demand seller and you love creating these designs and you want to upload each and every day your artwork onto these different print on demand websites, then that is your topmost priority. So write it down onto the piece of paper and do it no matter whatever happens. Don't break your schedule, don't break your routine just for the sake of someone else. And for me, I have a top 5 things that is on my priority list, and no matter what happens, I'm gonna do it. No matter what happens, I'm gonna do it. Even there is a festival, there is any cultural week, or even there is some function in my family, in my relatives, I'm gonna do it because these are the top my first priority list. And at times it's not that easy to do it because we have mental health issues or physical health issues or maybe family issues or personal issues. We have all those things. We have all those difficulties and struggles in our life, and at times it gets a little bit difficult to actually doing the things. But you need to have a topmost priority list, like make it that thing and keep it on your vision board or make it a wallpaper or write it onto your notes on your phone so that you're gonna see each and every day, so that you. Moving on to the top 3 tips. The third tip in correlation to the second tip is setting up the boundaries. I couldn't emphasize more, setting up a boundary is important for your every aspect of your life. If you are married and you have kids, then you need to set up your boundaries, and according to it that you need to give your attention to your family as well, to your business as well, and to your various aspect of your life. Don't break that boundaries. When and setting up clear-cut boundaries, what it actually look like for you is another really important aspect. Now right now guys, you can see my camera is shaking because I'm holding my camera, so that's why it's kind of like a shaky. But I really want to tell you guys, setting up a clear-cut boundaries, be very clear at that I'm gonna give this much particular time for this particular task in my day, and I'm gonna give that another time for this thing. For example, if you're giving 1 hour to your print-on-demand website, you need to upload and make those designs and do all the marketing and promotion, go do that. In that 1 hour, give your full attention to doing that task, and then give yourself a small break in between, and then focus on your other tasks. So setting up a clear-cut boundaries, don't intermingle like that. We often try to do the multitask. Yes guys, I also do the multitask. Like my TV is playing in the background, I'm listening to the TV, I'm watching to the TV as well, and I'm working on my laptop as well. Don't do that, because it's killing, like you're killing your time with the TV as well, and you're killing your time with the laptop as well. So try to focus on one thing at a time, and setting up the clear-cut boundaries that 1 hour is given to this particular task, and then I'm gonna move to another task, and so on. The fourth tip that I have for you guys is kind of like more related for those people who are quite consistent and who are just in between feeling procrastination or laziness and all that. So that fourth tip is, it's okay to not to be okay at all the times. Yes guys, I have already made a video talking about this particular task of feeling burned out. It's completely normal to feel burned out. It's completely okay to feel tired while working on your dreams, while working on your things. So it's necessary to be okay and not to be okay at all the times. Even if you're not feeling good, even if you're feeling not happy, or you're feeling tired or feeling weird, that's okay. Just be okay with that, and just give yourself for that day or for that week or whatever it is a small break. Re-energize yourself to refresh your mind and body, so that you're again gonna work on your task, again gonna work on your online entrepreneur journey. Give yourself small breaks in between your tasks, in between your work routine in a day. And guys, one thing I want to tell you, it's okay to be demotivated, discouraged at the times, because we are not robots, we are human beings, and naturally we're gonna feel one day like tired, not feel like working on our dreams, not feeling like working on a task. It's completely normal for us to feel that way, and you need to be okay with that. Just don't give yourself, like, don't be too harsh onto yourself. Just be okay even if you're not feeling okay at that moment, and tell yourself that's okay. Tomorrow I'm gonna be fine. It will gonna be fine. Like later on down the road, I'm gonna be fine. That's okay if I'm not feeling motivated right now. I'm not feeling encouraged to do anything right now. Just relax your body, just calm your mind and body, and give yourself a small break. You do a meditation, do the journaling, or listen to the calm music, or even if you love the art, like I love that. So try to do any piece of artwork if you want to relax your mind and body, or try to give it a small break. If you love watching movies and you feel relaxed while watching the movies, go do it. Give yourself that small break to re-energize, to refresh your body and mind. Last but not the least tip that I have for you in this video for maintaining the consistency is gratitude. Gratitude and giving yourself small healthy breaks in between, or even enjoying the task in between, is really important. Like you need to be grateful. Like if you have made the 10 designs today and you have uploaded onto the Redbubble, Teepublic, whatever the platform it is, then you need to be grateful that you've done that task, and you need to be happy about it. You need to tell yourself that's great, you did it. Give yourself, congratulate yourself, give yourself a small warm welcome, or small piece of gratitude, you can say, or small piece of affirmations. Give yourself good affirmations, or tell yourself you did well, congratulations, I love you, and tell those things, and it will really going to help you a lot to feel okay by yourself and to maintain that consistency while working on your dreams, and you won't feel that much overwhelmed. And if you feel overwhelmed or burned out, give it yourself a break. I do that, guys. I also feel burned out a lot many times, but then I give myself a break and then go back again to my work because I love doing it. So try to practice the gratitude, the things that you are grateful for, the things that you have accomplished, or you have done all the tasks that you have set for the day. Be happy for it. Enjoy your day. Tell yourself, that's great, you did that. I love you. You're an amazing human being. You are really amazing. Tell those positive, cool words to yourself, which will really going to refresh you, re-energize you, and give you and set back to you for working on your dreams and your goals and maintain that consistency. So leave a comment below and let me know if this video is useful to you. or not. And also share your own tips as well if you have any consistency tips or anything like that. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.